Hi everyone and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit, and with the help of this video I want to talk about a very important so-called integral part of CIBIL and credit card, which you should know whether you are in that particular situation or not. But in case if you are, and if you are suffering, then this video can really make your time, make your day, and you may end up saying a thanks to me. Now I want to talk about a process called some important tips and technique, or so-called a hook, before you talk about a process called how to manage your credit card, especially in a situation where you're not able to pay a single rupee and before it goes to NPA. There are three important and basic rules which I'm going to share, and let me repeat, it is not my own idea. It's an idea of a legal team who is in touch with me, and they're talking to me, and all this information which you're going to get through this video is not really my own input. It's an input of legal team of XYZ Banking, which I won't reveal because they're not allowed officially to go on a video podcast. So let's say you have a situation wherein you have used 5 lakh rupees credit card, out of which 4 lakh rupees is the principal amount and 1 lakh rupees is the interest. All right. Now, first month gone, second month gone, third month is about to get over. Anybody who fails to pay a payment of any card loan within 90 days or after 90 days, that particular card goes to, or account goes to, non-performing asset, which in the terminology of banking, it is a dead asset, an asset which is not going to give a single rupee. So post to that process, let's say pre-process, not post-process, there are 3 things which you can do. Let me give you an example. Let's say if you have a particular credit card, which you know for sure next month, probably 15th or 20th of November, or maybe December, is going to be under NPA bucket. Now in this process, I don't want to talk about the agents, law, no, nothing. I want to talk about a unique point which you should understand. So I'm not sure how many of you know a process called, once you have paid the dues of your current credit card under overdue status, you have an option called, you can go to a specific bank, take a letter and a pen and a letter, jot it down and say straightforward specifically that I am experiencing a financial challenge, and going forward I may not able to pay, let's say for 3 months, 6 months, whatever condition you have. Normally it is for 3 months. You should say you're not able to maintain your credit card upcoming expenses even though you have cleared the current outstanding bills and payment on the current credit card. Now you should say that I would like to avail some time off so that I can restart paying whatever money I have under my bucket. That's process number 1. Process number 2, and the process is restructure policy. Now, please don't get confused with the policy of American financial review system, that is restructure. That's a different ball game. They are completely different compared to Indian credit card lending officials. Okay. So here in India, you have an option called restructuring your current existing credit card limit. Now, there are 2 disadvantages of that. Number 1, you may not be able to use your card for the time being. Number 2, that account may become dead for you in Indian credit card lending system, whereas in American credit card lending system, so-called Amex, they do not take your card or put it on bed. They give you as a brand new card once you've repaid with whatever structure you have done. So that's a huge difference, which is a plus advantage in American Express Relief Financial Program. Okay, I hope you got the logic. Point number 3, which people have heard, but not many of us have really, even I have not really used that part. So that's again good to know information. A process called balance transfer. Now, balance transfer is also a process wherein you can put it on your other credit card. I'll give you an example. So let's say you have Kotak Mahindra Bank and SBI credit card. Okay. Now, Kotak Mahindra Bank is doing fabulously fine, whereas SBI is not doing good for you. So whatever limit, let's say 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, whatever you have on SBI card, you take some amount from that particular card, or probably whatever amount you want to transfer. I need to dig deep on that. You can transfer to Kotak, which is happy-go-lucky account, and you have got no expenses till now on that card. Let's say you have a 5 lakh limit on Kotak credit card. So whatever balance amount you had on the SBI, you have just transferred a kind of a loan to another credit card. And now the Kotak credit card may charge certain charges, but post to which they should be able to fix the details for you and give you some relief, maybe a little less EMI interest rate on transaction, and that can help you. Now, all these three important things can only be done before you go to a process called non-performing asset. Now, why am I talking about that? That's the next question. The question is this. See, we can always repay our loan. We can always settle our settlement. We can always close our NPAs. But the problem is, why to take a risk with a CIBIL which is already in good hands? So if possible, try this option and make sure you do not suffer, because see, first of all, it's a guilt. Number two, people come back and talk to you. And three, if you are a man of principles, you may not be able to talk and communicate with an individual who is primarily built for collection and so on and so forth. So why to invite them? Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, give me a like on this video in case if you happen to like our comment and videos and probably information which is 99% accurate and 1% probably studied research and so on and so forth. Till next time, you take care and thanks for watching.